Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply for a job in The Sims 4 and how you can go to work. So here I'm going to go to career, join a career. What's this? No. Okay, here, and then it's going to say select a career for Naomi. They have a lot of options here. And here it'll show like how much money you get per hour. So detective 20, 20, 26, 33, 45. Wow, that's a lot. Well, I guess it depends on what days you're working on at as well. Diver 45 per hour. That's not bad. Wait, what about this one? Okay, so I think diver so far you can earn the most money. Okay, for instance, she wants to be in, what is this? Oh, this like pays by gig. I'm just like looking through the, oh, actress as well gets paid by the gig. I think I'm gonna put her as like a influencer. Here it'll show like what time you want to work in. I'm just going to select, what's the time right now? I know I'm just going to select 9 to 11. And when, okay, I have work in 2 days. And it's going to give some quests as well, I guess. What's this? Oh, okay, she's reading, okay. So she's going to work in about 2 days. So in this area right here you'll be able to see some promotion tasks, and you can do these tasks at home usually, like update online bio with business headshot. Do I have a computer here? Sometimes they have it on the computer or their phone. Career here. I think I have to do it with my phone or something, but you can basically do these tasks at home. And once you're already working, like starting to work, there should be like go to work in this area as well. So make sure to check this in 2 days if you start work in 2 days or whenever you start working. Also check the time as well, because your sim does not want to be late, unless you want your sim to be late. I don't know. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.